Hey guys, thanks for joining. I'm just waiting for a few more people to come in. Okay. Yeah, I know.
Climate consciousness.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. I know. Okay, so let's get started. I want to talk about that. Here's the thing that, like, if ICE keeps deporting people and like they just keep deporting them, right? And what's next, right? What's next if they keep deporting them? Are they just gonna start arresting people for other things? Like, seriously, just think about it for a minute. Think about it with your mind, and think about the fact that if they just start arresting people for breaking other laws, like, it is a dystopian nightmare. You know what I'm saying? Right?